Kanong aibut jungka Khuborjylla badai hak Khubor MLA jungka Shillong East Constituency Dr. M. Ampareen Lyngdoh kalau ong ba ki khmi lenti ba ki jinga ki bajur Jingbakla jia menta hakari kanum jia sho Hadien habut kani ki jingkran jangka kadai halor ka jinga ki Samla hakaleng ki benta jangkari ban persya jur halor ka jinglai tu ka jingkeli nit laban kedo hang ni bahadin bun sngi ke jinga ki pat ba habarok kawi kari umentri ketenat puli puthi ke sarkar pedeng udhar mendra pradhan ula penbena pat ba ban hyar shuki no kum umentri bapet ya ketenat puli puthi
be a guideline for this nation by the central government as to how and what are the best ways of dealing with protests of this nature. At the last, you have seen now that the general feeling of protesters was that somebody needs to be, somebody has to take responsibility. And as is the way of democracy in countries across the world, somebody had to be blamed and had to take responsibility. And unfortunately, it fell on the HRD minister, and I hope that the government now will sincerely review its evaluation of capacities of institutions, whether independent or state-owned, who conduct these kinds of examinations. These are very important institutions. These are very important examinations. This is life of students at stake, and I wish to see that these errors don't repeat. I think over the last few years these errors kept repeating, and hence there was a need for students to rise and speak out. But I hope that henceforth institutions that are being given the mandate to conduct these examinations that are nationwide and determine the future of students should be monitored closely. They should not be given the capacity or the freedom to even say that sorry, there was a leak, because this I think is not just concerning students in general. Even senior citizens and middle-aged citizens are all concerned that this is too big an error, and institutes should not be allowed, and we have to ensure that there is complete control to ensure that this kind of a situation doesn't ever arise.